Look at this bicycle parking. All right, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Recently I've been really obsessed with shotengais, and shotengais are like the shopping streets where they have a big roof. Most of them are really old and ancient, but for some reason I'm just so fascinated with them, and I like them because there's so much to see in like just one street. So I promise this will probably be the second to last shotengais, because there's one more that I want to go to today, but I noticed that there was one shotengai in this area and I wanted to check it out. So yeah, I want to go see if it's interesting at all. But yeah, some of this stuff might be boring to some, but you know, I wanted to make sure that I check out every inch of Osaka and every inch of Kyoto and Kobe, since I live in this general area. And I want to make sure that, you know, I know exactly where everything is, and I've seen everything. And that's just how my personality is. Even in my car's loud. Even in my hometown, I would have a car, so I would always drive around places that I haven't been to. And in Japan, I don't have a car, unfortunately, so I've been taking the train everywhere. And you know, I hope eventually I can just kind of see every space of Osaka, Kyoto, and Kobe, and maybe in the future I won't be living here. So you know, I want to make sure that I've seen everything and I've done everything. So this is the bicycle parking lot. I don't know how to get out of here, but yeah, I can't even see. Oh, there it is. There's a shotengai. But how do I get out of here? Uh-oh, there's a bicycle attendant over there. All right, we're going right there. We're not gonna jump the fence. What the heck is this? I think it's a basketball court. What in the world? Oh, it is a basketball court. It's just like one hoop, and there's so many people here. Get in there. Oh, wearing a LeBron jersey. All right, it starts right there, but there's another shotengai here, and I think they might be different. So what I need to do is go all the way to the end of this, or check on Google Maps, and then go back the other way. I think it starts all the way over there, actually. By the way, this is the Kujo station. Kujo. All right, I really wanted to see where it ends over there, but it seemed like all the shops here are pretty much closed. So I'm gonna just start right here because I don't want to go all the way there and then go back down this way. But it's so hot today. It's like 90 degrees right now, Fahrenheit, which is like 32 Celsius. So it's so hot and humid. People are sweating left and right, and a lot of these shops are closed, and a lot of these shops are really old. So got a small little bakery here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and then all of these shops are closed. I saw these ice cream here. I was thinking about getting some. It's steaming. Forgot to put on deodorant today. They got all sorts of ice cream. It's like a little restaurant. Oh man, those look good. They got vanilla, strawberry, mango, green tea. Should I get an ice cream? I feel like I need to get one. Alright, I'm not gonna even bother. I'm just gonna get one ice cream. We'll just get it later, maybe. Oh man. You know why I like the shotengais? They just give you a good feeling. One, you're away from the sun. Two, they always play this like nice music. I don't know if it's gonna be copyrighted, but copyright infringements or copyrighted, but it gives you a good feeling when you're walking down these Shotengais, especially when they play like these old 70s, 80s music. They have this bike shop, and then they have like this little shop that has everything. And then down here they got like maybe old cafes and restaurants. And you can also smell like the smoke coming out of the cafes and bars. This old store. I wonder if anybody buys anything from here. So, cutting some meat. What is this? It says Masu Tashitera? I don't know. Look at this old restaurant. It's pretty cool. And it goes down there. I think this is more of like the wet market, and it ends over there. It's like eggs and fruit and vegetables. There's a lot of people riding their bikes. Look at this. Tobacco shop. I don't know why, but these Shotengais make me so happy. I don't know why. Just I feel like I'm going back in time, and it gives me the feeling of what it's like, what it was like back 20 years ago. Someone can hang out here. So there's a Kirara Dome here. I don't know who plays there. I think there's a local baseball team that plays there. It's a huge dome. You can see it from the train. Oh, what is this place? Man, this looks pretty good. Wow, that looks really delicious, and it's only like $6 to $10. And you have like all the neighborhoods in the back, like these shops like these. Man, that looks good. Beef and chicken. This lady is, I think you can see the grilling back there. I think they were cooking some food earlier. I think it's liver. Alright. This old stamp shop. You get like your last names, because you need like these stamps for everything pretty much. It's really old-fashioned here. I have a feeling that tourists don't come here when it was pre-pandemic. These ladies chilling on this chair. This old camera shop. They still take pictures in here too. You need like photographs. Got this more new modern bakery here. They got mochi, and then they got like these little pop-up. I don't know if these guys are just like one day or just they come here every week. Alright, and that's it. This place is called Kirara Kujo. I'll show you guys from the outside. See, I think this one is a little different. Kirara Kujo, and then that one looks different. Or it might be the same, because that one says mall. I thought it was in Japanese, but it just says mall. Here's that basketball court again. Just one hoop. They left. I guess you gotta bring your own ball. Alright, we're gonna run it. I think those are the kids. Alright, so I think this might be part of it, but look how cool this looks. It's a little bit wider. It's a little bit bigger than the other place. There's no music playing. Maybe I won't cut it. Oh, I think they are playing some music a little bit. It's kind of faint. Liquor store. I gotta get something out of my shoe. Seems like there's not much here. They got a matsuya. I like matsuya. We got this bread place with the raisins inside. Look at this salon. Look at the picture. It's like they haven't changed it in like 20 years. Awesome. Got an eel place. Looks pretty legitimate. Oh, they are playing music. There's like a little shop that sells everything. Yoshiya. Got little snacks in there. Maybe we should check real quick. These types of places have like the cheapest snacks. Oh, they got Cheetos. I don't know what type of Cheetos is this one. Oh, they got Flamin' Hots. No freaking way. It can't be the real, the same as the one back home though. I can't believe they have Flamin' Hots. It's like my favorite chips. My mouth is salivating just thinking about it. Ice cream. This is like a grocery store and a snack shop at the same time. Oh. Got some alcohol as well. They got alcohol and candy. Look at this new Doritos. I haven't seen these. Interesting. Oh, these caramel corn chips are really good. Got some gachas here. Look at this coffee shop. It's old. This place is so interesting. I feel like this is not interesting to a lot. But you know, just like I noticed that a lot of the viewers here, they like one thing or some things. Like some people like the temple, some people like Shotengai, some people like the look at this, what is this? Sometimes they like the secondhand shops. Once I get like obsessed over something, I have to keep going. Like the secondhand shops. Like a month ago, I was obsessed with these secondhand shops. Got this American flags. Is it a cafe? I think it's like American style cafe. It's called the Panhead's Heaven Saloon. It's pretty cool. So it's been raining a lot, and I think the rainy season is over because this week it's gonna be this weather all week, if not even hotter. So it's gonna be like 32 all week. So I decided just to, I was out yesterday at Kyoto. If you watch all my videos, you probably watched that one. I think that was released yesterday or uploaded yesterday. Does this guy drive this home after work? He probably does. This thing is pretty mint condition. The dry cleaners. This is Chinese fried chicken. Maybe not. This old cafe, it's open. I wasn't thinking that it's open, but actually this stuff is really good. I love all these shops. And I just wonder how they like constructed this like back then. You know, they probably built this a long time ago. How did they even construct this then? Like so tall. Look at this one. Like each place is different looking. This old 100 yen shop. I wonder if we should go in. Just look at this front of the store over here. It's probably not your like average 100 yen shop too. Oh, maybe it is. And got like plants. But yeah, it's yesterday and today is such a nice day. It's kind of nice because it's been pretty bad for like a month now. Just terrible weather. But now it's gonna start getting really hot. That's how it is. Usually like July is rainy season, some typhoons, and then you know, end of July, August, it gets so hot. Just like unbearable. with the humidity. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Got this crepe store here. It's a pretty cool alley back there. The alley back there. Some ice cream as well. Look at this building here. Interesting. This store looks really busy. I think they're just selling regular household items. Got another pachinko. There's 2 pachinkos. I think that's it. I think that's the end of it. And they got a local grocery store here. Look at how busy this grocery store is. It's probably cheap. Takoyaki. It smells really good. Alright, I think this is the end of it. Alright, so that's the end of it. This is called Mall 9. I can't see what it says on the blue. It says something. And you got this street, this big street on the outside. And look at the weather. The weather is so nice today. Alright, something happened with my camera, the file damage. But yeah, I was just saying that we came out from there. And then they got a Tamare supermarket in here. And that kind of just ends over here. All these bikes. There's a tobacco shop here. And I think these shops just didn't make it. I don't know. I don't know if they make the shops and then they make the roof, or they just do it all together. But and this other video that just got deleted on accident. I was just showing this bakery, but look at this bakery. I don't know if it's the lighting or the bread. It looks really good. This place has been here since 2004. All right, so there is another. Oh, this bread smells so good. There is another Shotengai I'm trying to go to, but first I want to go to Ian Mall. The Ian Mall is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but also you can see the top of the dome over there. That's a Kirara dome. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see like the top. It looks pretty crazy. I like this neighborhood. It's nice because you're oh, there's another street that goes that way. Oh man, it's like next to the shopping street. Anyways, I like this kind of area because you're like living in the city, but at the same time you're kind of away from the hustle and bustle, noisy areas. The pigeon. But I like these outer edges of the city because you're still in Osaka city, but you know, you're kind of away from all the craziness. But I'm gonna stop the video here. I might make another video on Ian and then go to the next Shotengai. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for coming along with me. Please look out for those future videos, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.